In the heart of the African savannah, under the burning sun, a serpent named Mamba slithered gracefully. Her scales shimmered like the golden sands of the desert. Her eyes gleamed with wisdom beyond her years. Mamba was revered by the local villagers for her wisdom and her ability to heal the sick. But one day, a great conflict arose. A drought had struck the land, and the villagers, desperate for water, tried to capture Mamba, believing she held the key to their salvation. Mamba, however, refused. She had always respected the villagers' space, never interfering with their lives, and she refused to be taken advantage of now. The villagers, angry and frustrated, threatened to kill her if she did not cooperate. In the face of this dilemma, Mamba made a decision. She could not allow the villagers to suffer, but she also could not be taken against her will. So, she retreated to a secluded part of the desert and started to weave a spell. For days, Mamba poured all her energy into the spell, her body growing weaker and weaker. Finally, on the verge of collapse, she spoke the final words. A great geyser sprang forth from the ground, providing the villagers with the water they so desperately needed. The villagers, overjoyed, realized their mistake. They had underestimated Mamba, not understanding the true power she held. They apologized to her, promising to respect her and her home in the future. From that day forward, Mamba was not just a serpent, but a symbol of wisdom, resilience, and the power of free will. She taught the villagers a valuable lesson about respect, not just for the creatures of the earth, but for all living things. And so, the story of Mamba served as a reminder to the villagers for generations to come.